Hi guys, today we'll explore few plugins. In previous class, we explored this translator plugin and this WhatsApp plugin and this contact us plugin. And we can also see the results also for this contact us in see these results. Now today we explore one more plugin for SEO. Up there, this is our home page. Present there is empty. So we add one random theme to showcase, I will say, like website base. Just click on the appearance, go to the theme section. Themes. You can select a random theme, like base. Suppose you take a dental and just refresh once. I think something loading issues. Yeah, now there are many themes for dental. Just add one any theme. Choose you suppose take this one. You can see the preview. Oh, this is not working. I told you earlier times in WordPress, there are number of themes. So few themes are not working properly. So just with the one more. And this is also not beautiful. Any even random theme. Let's see this one. This is even worse. There's the issues in the WordPress. Few themes are not working because the number of themes you are not working properly. You can see this is also good in the outside. Okay, suppose we apply this thing, just install, activate. Just you can see once. This thing will not apply. Even this is also any problem. Okay, we should directly have starter templates in Astra theme. You directly use the Astra. This is Astra theme. What this is dashboard. Here you can see the starter templates. If you don't find good themes on appearance section, generally there are few themes are good, but you have to spend more time to see the which theme is more perfect. Or if you don't find the good one, just install the Astra theme. In Astra theme, just click on the dashboard. In dashboard, you can see the starter templates. Astra dashboard starter templates. Just click on start building. Here there are pre-built templates are there. I think I explained this started updates in my previous classes. Just rewind once. Build with templates. Click on Elementor for editing. Here we can see the number of themes. Suppose this is dental. So just enter the dental. You can see the more beautiful themes here. And many are premium. Premium are better. In starting stage, you can go for the free versions. Later, you can choose if you want to have budget and if you have to really look the premium versions, go for the premium. I think both these two are good. Just click on one. I think this is nice. It's good. So just we can continue. Skip this step. Skip and continue. Submit. Compared to the normal appearance theme, normal themes in appearance section, Astra themes are very beautiful. These are completely designed website. Just we need to customize based on our website locations or website address or website services regarding like these informations. In Astra using, we can create website within the fraction of seconds. Just we take 14 seconds only. Just can refresh the ones. Now see, this is beautiful. This we can add the call to action here. We can add again one more call to action here. Or services, again call to action, again call to action, YUS or customer testimonials, or a call number, locations, again call to action, services, quick links, social icons. Literally, this is very beautiful. Just comment how it is for you. For me, it is really good. If I give this kind of website to dental clinic owners, I can charge up to 30 to 40K in India or 50 to 60K in US also by customizing. After customizing this or requirement based, because this locations or phone number, these services based on the dental client. But this is literally good. I'm very happy about this theme. So you can just explore the started updates in Astra. You can find the best themes like this. Even you can find more better than this theme. And today class, our main purpose is the SEO. In previous class, we discussed what is SEO and what are the keyword research techniques by using tools, brainstorming, Google Keyword Planner. Today, we explore the plugin. We explore the common SEO plugin called All-in-One SEO. In SEO, there are performing on page. We need plugins. There are three plugins. One is rank path. One more is all-in-one SEO. One is the Yoast. All are the same, but all-in-one SEO is very beginner friendly. Mine is not going to dashboard. To install all-in-one SEO plugin, this is very beginner friendly. In starting stages, you can go with the all-in-one SEO. Then you can understand the concepts very easily, or which elements we can understand easily to perform more better without confusion. After your rank math, you can use. If you once use this plugin, you can use both these two. In my experience and my training, my trainers also suggested in starting stages go with the all-in-one SEO. Then you can perform easy without any confusing. So to install plugins, I told you earlier also, in WordPress for any problems, we have only solution is plugins. So you have to always use plugins to solve our problems. So now we need all an SEO plugin. So just go under the plugin section. Just add new plugin. search all-in-one SEO. This is an all-in-one SEO plugin. This is rank map. This is your, let's see, you can rank yours is a more million of installing because many people using this. These are similar to all-in-one SEO, but some slight changes in the Yoast SEO. But this is more beginner friendly. So just click on install. Just activate. Once activating, it asks to create account, but no need to create account. Just click on the dashboard. No thanks. Don't need to create any account for this. Now just click on the pages. You can see the scores here. Why this again coming again? Okay. Irritating this option from the last starting onwards. You can see the scores here, the 34 by 100, 39 by 100, 23 by 100. These are the scores given by all-in-one SEO. And before you don't see this kind of scores. So in all-in-one SEO, you need to maintain more than 70 to 80 or 9, 70 to 100 is a good score to perform on-page SEO. So today we can see explore something that all-in-one SEO. Generally, you can perform on-page SEO by using all-in-one SEO. Just click on the home. After home section, you can see the dashboard of all-in-one SEO. We can give the title here, in the meta description. You can give the or focus keyword, internal linkings, outbound linkings, images. We can use everything here. By default, the score shows 88, but we don't perform anything right now. So we can use the title like here, suppose best dental clinic near me. Like this, we can give a keyword based title and also follow description as well. After a focus keyword, if you read the blocks, you can see the number of parameters like that, images, permalink, alt image like this. You can see more parameters. But this is the dashboard of all-in-one SEO. If in our page or post, you have to perform or on page by in this section. So this is about all-in-one SEO plugin. Once after you have to complete everything, you have to save it. Now I'm not saving because I don't do anything else. Something issue maybe, but no worries. Dating for the internet property. Yeah, just back it again. Maybe something issues in the back in the backward. But this is the normal process for any page, or if you starting the blogging. I can show the one blog post also from next class. Today I'm not prepared content for any blog. From the next class, we can perform on-page SEO for one blog. Suppose one, take an example for tourism blog. Because why tourism I prefer is tourism blogs are very common and very easy to rank easily. You can rank easily by performing the on-page SEO for travel blogs. So this is the just for to discuss understand the what is the all-in-one SEO plugin, how to install a SEO plugin, that all-in-one SEO plugin that WordPress, and you can explore this kind of starter template. I think I explained this in my previous class, but again, just see the plugins, not plugins, that starter templates. You can install the beautiful templates here. It is really good for me. Okay, from the next class, we directly perform the on-page SEO for one travel blog. I can come with one blog, and by show here, I can show you here how to perform on-page SEO for a blog. And after performing on pages of blog. It is common for any kind of niches. That's it, guys. Today's class, and keep the subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon, like the channel, like the video, share it and comment it. Don't forget to subscribe the channel.